What's up, you guys? It's your girl 9Gen9 here, and I am back with another video for you guys. So here in this video, I had somebody ask me for a muffler POV inside sound. Hope I'm saying that right. But I was planning on making this video anyway, but somebody just saw it and commented, and I'm here to give it to you guys. So if you are new to my channel, you obviously see what my name is, 9Gen9. I have a 9th Gen 2017 Honda Accord LX. It's base model. I recently did just get a muffler delete on it, and y'all, it sounds so good. I love it. This is my first car I'm ever modifying. This is really my first car ever. So yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and set you guys up. We're gonna go ahead and get this POV started. I don't really have a destination, y'all. I'm just driving, and we're gonna see where it takes us. I know my areas, so we're just gonna be driving around, and I'm gonna let you guys hear the little pops and burbles that my car does make with just a muffler delete. Remember, I'm just muffler deleted. I did not take off my resonators. I want to, y'all, because my car already pops with just a muffler delete. So I know the pop's going to be even louder, even more without a resonator. Maybe give me probably about 3 months, y'all. I don't know, because I really want to cut them off like next month or like this month. But I'm trying to, you know, pace myself and just, you know, get used to the muffler delete, and then we can get started. So I'm going to give y'all a little outside view of my car once we get to where we're at, because I'm in front of my house right now. And I want y'all to see where I live at, you know what I'm saying? So let's get started. We are set up, and we are now about to get on the road. My windows are up right now because I don't know if the wind is gonna bother y'all. I might get a clip of with the windows down to see what it sound like, but we're gonna first go ahead, and I'm just pulling out my complex, y'all. So we're gonna probably go about, because it's a car in front of me, but we might go about, I'm gonna show y'all a 0 to 40 real quick. To 40. But I'm gonna also tell y'all, the car does sound different. I have 3 different modes, y'all. So we have eco mode. My car is currently eco. With that 0 to 40, it was in eco. I'm gonna give y'all another one, and then I'm gonna also give y'all another one in sport mode. So we're right now in regular drive and eco. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off eco once we get off on the main road, so you guys can hear it. And yeah, so I'm gonna shut up talking so y'all can actually hear the car. So you guys, while we are stopped, I don't know if, I hope the camera is picking up the little pops that my car is making. In the first clip y'all guys, I gave you guys the startup. It did pop a little bit. You can hear it on there, but I'm hoping y'all can really hear it while I'm driving. So right now I'm not in eco. Like I told y'all, when I get on the main road, I'm gonna take it off eco. I'm gonna drive a little bit more until I probably get to another light in regular drive, and then I'll put the car in sport mode so you guys can hear. At this light, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put the car into sport. I hate that it's a car in front of me right now, but I'm gonna really try. I'm trying to get this sun out your face, but I'm gonna really, you know, I want you guys to really hear the difference between eco, sport, and like regular drive. Also, I do have my AC running, so the muffler, like the car is working harder, so you're gonna hear the muffler get a little louder with the AC. Because y'all, it is 93 degrees in South Florida right now, and it is hot. So here we go. Between like 25 to 30, like between 20 and 30 is like when I'm like downshifting is when I hear the pops. Y'all, I had to pull over y'all because my phone got overheated, which I knew was gonna happen, but we got, you know, we got it back right, y'all. So we're gonna go ahead. I got my windows down. Hopefully y'all could hear the car really good. Hopefully no wind messes us up, but I got the windows down, y'all, and we about to go ahead and pull off, y'all. And we are in regular drive, y'all, and we are back in eco. I'm gonna go ahead and take it off eco so y'all can hear the full potential of the car, because it definitely sounds different. I hope the video picked it up for real. But we're gonna go ahead, y'all. hope y'all can hear them pops, y'all. It sounds so cool. To stop the video because somebody wanted to play music, y'all, and I can't get copyrighted, y'all, so we're gonna go start again. You guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope my audio picked up perfectly for you guys to hear. If anything, I'm gonna do another video for you guys to hear the outside muffler video of like the RPMs and, you know, me revving it and stuff. So that video will be coming next. I'm gonna actually probably record that today or tomorrow, but I know it is coming, y'all. But I wanted to get an outside view of the car, y'all, but I be having that little social anxiety, y'all. I mean, it's people. I'm at a park and it's like people. I don't want anybody watching me. But you guys, that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If so, I hope you guys subscribe, like, and comment on anything else you guys want me to do, what other videos. And I really hope you guys love this video. I hope I got everything that you guys wanted. Like I said, a video for the outside is coming soon. That might be the next video, actually. But I really hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys have a great day. And thank you for watching.